Soon after Peter Chalulile etched his name into South African football history books, his former coach Mangoba Mngqisi was among the first to pay tribute, describing the Mamelodi Sundowns striker as the finest professional he has ever worked with, and said Chalulile became the Betway Premiership's all-time leading goal scorer on Saturday when his decisive strike handed Sundowns a 1-0 victory over Stellenbosch FC at Athlone Stadium. The Namibian converted a penalty in the first half stoppage time to take his tally to 130 goals, surpassing Siyabonga Nomvete's long-standing record of 129. The 31-year-old had drawn level with Nomvete a fortnight ago in Down's 2-0 league win over Magesi FC, and his latest milestone has sparked widespread praise across the football fraternity. Speaking up after his Lamontville Golden Arrows side fell 1-0 to Kaizer Chiefs at Moses Mabhida Stadium, Mngqisi was effusive in his admiration for his former player and said, "I'm happy for Peter because he deserves everything that comes his way. I'm going to call him because he is one boy who has gone through everything. He hardly played at the FIFA Club World Cup in the US in June, but he still fights for what he believes in." Mngqisi, who guided Sundowns to multiple league and cup titles during his time at Kluwakop, praised Chalulile's work, ethic and discipline, both on and off the pitch, and said there are never issues with Peter. He is the best professional I have ever worked with. He's always focused, always laser sharp. For him to become the highest scorer in our league feels like football rewarding him for his dedication. He lives the right lifestyle, trains with intent and embodies professionalism. He is the epitome of what every player should aspire to. With his record now standing alone, Chalulile has cemented his status as one of the Premiership's greatest ever strikers, a legacy built on consistency, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.